Hamwe na Mehariria maria thirikari irakinyaniria mbere ya arutwo a grade ya kenda kuingira senior school mwaka ukite ni guthomithia arutani anene a thukuru cia secondary. Kaunti-ini ya Meru, arutani aya ni mambiririe mathomo mao makionania mwihoko munene na mehariria maria thirikari ikoretwo igikinyaniria mbere ya mwaka ukite.
The retooling has started with us principals, and then for the other teachers it will commence in due course, and I believe those are plans that the Ministry of Education is working on.
In as far as the strands are concerned, we have been equipped and we are ready to take CBE head on.
Ona kuhanoro uguo arutani aya maugite mathomo maya mafatie gukinyirio kuri arutani a ngathi ciothe niguo gutigirira mari na umenyo na utaaramu uria wagiriire guthomithia thiini wa ngathi ino ya mathomo.
Schools are well prepared, but we still feel that we need more support from the government. We want our teachers to be trained more and not training all the teachers in Meru in a single day. Maybe they can do it in the sub-counties so that the teachers are trained by the people that have the know-how.
Kaunti-ini ya Kitui, arutani anene 465 ni mamukirite mathomo maya.
I believe by the end of this training, all the principals, the 465 principals in Kitui County will be equipped with the knowledge and information that is required to prepare our schools for the transition of the grade 10.
Our expectation is that principals will have gathered enough confidence, and from here they will go and prepare the stakeholders at school level, board of management, the teachers, and other stakeholders in the school.
Mathomo maya marakuruhania arutani anene a thukuru cia muingi oro ndumwe na thukuru cia andu kiumbe. Maya mokite riri thirikari ikoretwo igithiururuka guothe bururi-ini guthurima wagiriru wa mathukuru kwamukira arutwo a senior school mwaka ukite niguo gukorana thukuru iria cingihota guthomithia pathway 2 kana 3. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.